In this video, you'll learn about how to spot concrete damage, what is concrete removal and replacement, how much it costs, and if it's the right solution for your problem. Is your concrete falling apart and starting to look like a spider web? Do you or your kids no longer want to be flying off your skateboards or scooters? You deserve to have perfect and safe concrete. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell if you have a problem with your concrete. Concrete is expensive, and instead of removing damaged concrete and replacing it, you can fix it with several different options. Concrete repair is for anyone who has uneven, cracked, lifted, or sinking concrete slabs. If you don't have concrete or have concrete issues, you'll probably not be a good fit for concrete repair. Sometimes concrete just can't be repaired and it needs to be removed. This is the worst case scenario when it comes to concrete damage. Concrete removal and replacement is just how it sounds. We'll send out a production crew out to remove all of the affected concrete that can't be repaired and replace it with a nice new safe slab. If you're having concrete issues, please contact us. It's almost always better to fix your concrete before it gets to the point where you need a new slab. But if it gets to that point and it can't be repaired, it's better to fix it before someone gets hurt because of the cracks. As a kid, I would ride my skateboard and scooter flying down the sidewalk. Then, all of a sudden, I would stop immediately and get launched into the air, face planting into concrete, usually ending up with some nice road rash. Luckily, I never broke a bone, but I know several people who have from those pesky cracks. We want to make sure that everybody stays safe, and we want your home to remain safe as well. If you wait to get it repaired, you could have more damage and a higher cost of repairs due to the damage and more product needing to be used, or we may need to remove and replace the concrete altogether. The cost of concrete removal and replacement depends on if it's exterior or interior. Exterior costs are a little bit cheaper than interior, with a price of about $16 per square foot, and interior costing closer to about $20. There's also a minimum cost to send us out, which is about $5,000. Concrete replacement costs can double or even triple due to fluctuating prices and man hours. Dealing with concrete damage isn't something that should go unrepaired. Please contact us. A free inspection is always available, and after the inspection is complete, we can schedule those repairs for you. Now that you know if you need concrete removal and replacement, please take a look at our other blogs and videos. Also, we have a video that's just on the price for concrete repairs if you'd like to check that out. If you'd like to move forward and get an inspection done on your property, please click the link below or call us directly at 877-360-9227. After you do either of these, you'll be placed with one of our project design specialists within 48 business hours. From there, they will set a day and a time to do a free inspection on your property. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned a little bit more about concrete removal and replacement, and if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us.